Man, it's hot today. Today we're going to take a look at my level 2 kit designed for 12 to 24 hours. This is designed if you were taking a day hike and you had to stay overnight or actually wanted to stay overnight. You could do it pretty comfortably. Let's go see what's inside the kit. Man, it's hot. All right, here we go. Here's our level 2 pack designed around the Outdoor Products Quest Day Pack, available at Walmart for 20 bucks. I didn't really do a review on the pack. This is not a review of the pack. This is a review on the contents. If you want to see a review on the pack, our old friend, the Wisconsin Woodsman, has got a great review. I'm going to put a card to it right in the upper right hand corner. But you can see the pack has a nice chest strap, and it's got a lot of MOLLE stuff to hang stuff from the outside. Let's take a look at what I have hanging from it. All right. Phew. Actually, this is not that bad. This pack is only about 14 pounds, just like it is. You can see, let me give you a view of all sides of this sucker. Here's the back of the pack. Here's the side of the pack. There's another side of the pack. So let's start from the sides. All right, I really like this pack because it's got 3 different compartments. One big compartment, outer compartment that I can put all of my outdoor stuff in. A middle compartment that I can use for other stuff that I don't want to mix with the outdoor stuff. And a nice one on the end that I can put some food and stuff in. So it's really cool. All I did is, this has got compression straps. So all I did is hang a couple of carabiners off the MOLLEs, put my hunting knife on there, and I can keep it attached to the pack so it doesn't flop around. I did the same thing with a carabiner. I put my gloves on there. It's got a nice pouch here that I can put guy line tensioners. Man, there's some skeeters. And I can put all of my paracord in here. That's awesome. Turning it to this side, I can stick a pocket knife in the MOLLEs for a secondary knife. This is just the headlamp off of an old headlight, and I just MOLLE'd it in the MOLLEs. Now I can use it and I can adjust it up and down so I can use it for some hands-free tying. Got a couple of other carabiners on here. We got space on this side, fits my old Nalgene canteen perfectly with some more carabiner straps. And you know, you can be as creative as you want to and hang as much stuff from these MOLLEs as you want to. The back of the pack, that's another concern. It's not that, you know, it's nice and padded, but it doesn't give you too much airflow. So it's really hot out here. Let's go back into the workbench of death and I'll show you what's inside. All right, I had to not only come back to the workbench, I had to come inside. It was so hot. So let's take a look at what I got inside of here. So this is designed to be the 12 to 24 hour pack. Okay, we saw out in the woods where we got our knife on the side and our gloves hanging on the side and our headlight, spare knife, a couple carabiners, plenty of room for some more MOLLE accessories if you want them. We got our canteen over here, a couple more carabiners. We got all kinds of paracord and cordage in here. But let's see what we got in the pack. Okay. And you'll notice the first thing right off the bat that this pack is not full. It's not full by any means. So when we unzip our main pouch, okay, first thing we have in it is our water kit. There's my whole Sawyer Mini kit there. That way, when I run out of my 1 canteen of water, I can get more water, my Sawyer kit, okay? So there's a water kit. Got some spare rope. This is just 3/8 inch, 25 feet of 3/8 inch rope, okay? We've got some tarp stakes. There's about a dozen of them in there. Okay, we've got one of our favorite items, the Stanley Adventure Series. I did a nice video on the Stanley Adventure Series with our cup and our scrubby. I did a nice video on the Stanley Adventure Series. I'm going to put a card right up to the upper right hand corner to see, in case you want to go check out that video. You'll really see how you can stack a lot of things in the Stanley. Make your life a lot easier. So we got our Stanley Adventure Series with our Glacier Cup. Okay, we got our full 10-foot hammock. This is the Arontech hammock. I have not done a review of this hammock. There's a lot of reviews of it online. But here's our hammock. And in there, it's got the Ridgeline. I got a nice Amsteel Ridgeline. I should review this hammock in the Amsteel Ridgeline. This makes it really, really comfortable and gets you up off the ground, where my level 1 kit, you'd be laying on the ground. So we take a hammock along with us. Now we have the backbone of the pack, our Harbor Freight 8x10 tarp. So here we go. Now we can get underneath this tarp, out of the rain. We got plenty of cordage for a ridgeline. We can stake out the edges, and we can have a nice, comfortable day if it rains. So let's check out what's in the other pouches. Okay, that's what's in the outside compartment. Just gotta kind of zip this up here. All right, here's the secondary compartment. And this backpack has got these nice red handles for the pull handles. So this is really, really cool. On the inside, it's got this nice mesh compartment. See the nice mesh compartment? I got my trusty Dollar Tree fork and spoon. I got my bag of assorted stuff with some tea bags, some Spam singles, some grits, some coffee, some cup of soups. That'll hold you off for quite a while. So that goes in there too. Okay. And here we have, it's usually in there, we got our full fire kit. Cigarette lighter, Band-Aids, dryer lint, matches, another multi-tool pocket knife, and some Q-tips. So that's my good fire kit. All right. Gotta have light. So we keep our mag light in here. It's really cool. This mag light fits right down in these little slots. So carry a secondary light source. Now, this has got a Velcro pocket right here that I keep another headlamp in here. And this is one of the LED headlamps. Pretty bright, huh? That's pretty cool. So we got plenty of light. We're not going to run out of light. We got a headlamp on the outside of the pack here. We got a flashlight. We got our headlamp. Got plenty of light. Down in the bottom, we have our handy dandy little first aid kit. Okay. Up in the top pouch, we got some bandanas. It's a couple of nice cotton bandanas. You never know when you might need those. You might need to dress a wound or something. You might need to make some char cloth. You know, you might just need a headband to keep the sweat out of your face. And last but not least, we have our stove. We have all of our stove kit in here. So we can do some cooking on the Stanley Adventure Series. We can cook up some nice breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever we need. So that's the secondary interior pouch. Now let's take a look at the third pouch. All right, this is really, really cool. We got the big main outer pouch, our secondary pouch right here, and it's got a third pouch right in the front that kind of opens sideways. And this pouch is really big. I have another Mountain House chicken and rice right in there. So I got plenty of food. I could stay out for at least a day. You know, I got all my cup of soups and Spam and coffee and tea and grits. I got some dinner, chicken and rice, you know, one of the mountain houses. And here I got 2 giant contractor garbage bags. You can never tell when you need these. These are the 55-gallon contractor ones. You could split those things down the seam and make a giant shelter. And those fit in there. And there's still a lot of room in there. So here we go. We got the Outdoor Products Quest Day Pack. Now I'm going to show you a quick rundown of everything that I have in there. All right, you guys, I can't believe the stuff that the Quest Day Pack holds. It holds all of this. This is my level 2 kit. This is easily going to take me 12 to 24 hours. If I go out at 6 o'clock in the morning, I can easily do an entire day, stay out till 6 in the evening. If I want to put my tarp and my hammock up, go make some more water, go make some dinner, go make a campfire, stay out overnight in my hammock if it's nice and cool. Can't do that now because it's too hot. If I want to stay out overnight, I'm perfectly comfortable and I got breakfast in the morning. So we got the Quest Day Pack with the headlamp attached, our tarp, our bandanas, our hammock, my old buck knife, some more food, I mean our water kit, our first aid kit, our contractor bag, some more mountain house, some more rope. We got our headlamp and 3 or 4 different coils of paracord. We've got our tarp pegs, some guy lines, our little silverware, our fire kit. We got our canteen, some stakes. We got our Stanley Adventure Series with the stove, and we got a nice stiff pair of gloves. So this is my level 2 kit. Let me know what you would add or subtract. And you know, I did have some space in the main compartment. It wasn't nearly full, so I could bring along some extra socks, some extra undies, an extra shirt. You know, I could bring along a sheet. You know, it wasn't nearly full, so I could bring along some clothing items and some more, and another couple of comfort items if I really wanted to. But this, I feel, is just about the basics of my 12 to 24 hour kit. So let's go wrap this up. All right, man, it was hot out there. Time for some refreshments. Ah, it's good. All right, what do you think of my level 2 kit? My level 1 kit was based around, and it's right there. My level 1 kit was based around my web belt with, you know, some Alice accessories on it. Made to be from mainly 2 to 6 hours, maybe 2 to 12 hours. You could stay overnight if you had to. It wouldn't be very comfortable. Now the level 2 kit, designed for a day trip, with the hammock and the tarp and a couple of different food items, 2 or 3 redundant light items, you know, a headlamp, a flashlight, another lamp on the outside of the backpack. It's got 3 or 4 different fire methods, got 2 knives, and you know, 1 canteen, plus it's got my whole Sawyer kit, so I have a way to make more water, which in this heat, water is paramount. That's the most important thing. So I could stay easily out for a day, or I could stay overnight fairly comfortably. You know, the mosquitoes may kill me, but, you know, because I don't have a mosquito net on the hammock, but, you know, I could stay, if it was cooler, I could stay out overnight. If I got lost, you know, and people were looking for me, I could stay out and I could stay put and make a big signal fire, and I could probably be found. So there's my level 2 kit. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I should add, what I should subtract, what I should multiply, what I should divide. You know the story. Just drop me a comment down below. So once again, with a review of my level 2 kit, level 3 kit's coming on pretty soon. This is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, stay cool this summer.